everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to cancel an order and get a full refund on Temu. If you ordered something by mistake or change your mind, here's how to cancel it quickly and get your money back. Open the Temu app on your phone and then tap you at the bottom right. Tap your orders. Tap your orders to see your recent purchases. Find the order you want to cancel and then tap cancel order. If the order hasn't shipped yet, Temu will cancel it instantly and start the refund process. You'll get a confirmation message right away. If the order has already shipped, you will need to wait for it to arrive, then request a return to get your refund. Privacy tip: always cancel orders directly inside the official Temu app. Avoid using links in the emails or messages claiming they can cancel your order. These are often scams. Quick fix: if the cancel button does not appear, cool down and refresh the orders page or close the reopen the app. If it's still missing, go to the help center and contact Temu support. They can often cancel it manually if it hasn't shipped yet. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes like this.